right, guys, there you have it. Like I said, I am not playing around this year. We have goals and we got to reach them. So I would like to formally introduce to you my 2012 BMW E92 M3 competition. Pretty low miles. Out of all of the cars that I was looking at, out of all of the M3s that I was looking at, this one was by far the cleanest and the best well kept. All the big three done. So honestly, I really couldn't be happier. First and foremost, thank you to the lady for coming with me and taking all these different long road trips that we had all throughout the year so far, just trying to look and make sure I pulled the trigger on the right one. But yeah, man, we did it. We did it. This year, we already have road trips planned. We already have track days that we're gonna have in the works. So I honestly couldn't be happier. I hope you guys liked the little cinematic that we had. I already have parts ordered for this. So we're jumping right into this build. We're not wasting any time. And for all you guys that are new to the channel, thank you guys for clicking on this video. I also have another E36 that we are building as well. And Ben has some cars on the channel too. He also has a F80 M3 of his own, and he also has a 335 that he is building as well. So I couldn't be happier, honestly. Our channel is progressing so fast in such a short amount of time. So that's all thanks to you guys. But this year is the year of accountability, and we are just getting started. We are not gonna stop anytime soon. Like, comment, subscribe, comment down below what you guys think of the new M. And with that being said, see you guys in the next video.